won't you come my way? Baby, won't you come my way? All I gotta do is put my mind to this shit. Goddamn. Cancel out my ex, I put a
Mga taong walang kwentang kausap. O yan yung sagot sa number 1. Ha? Ha? Halaman. Halaman? Ha? Ha? Hangin. Ha? Ano ba talaga? Ha? Ha? Ano ba sabihin mo na? Ha? Hotdog. O yan, hotdog. Oo.
There's only one thing to do, 3 words for you. I love you.
Kung hindi mo din ako sasagutin, pwede bang sa inyo'y wag mo na akong papuntahin? Kung sistema natin ay ganun pa din, at least alam ko na kung anong dapat kong gawin.
Dahil dyan tatanungin kita, sasagutin kita. Unang tanong, unang sagot. Wala pang tanong, wala pang sagot. Huwag niyong tuturuan, turuan niyo ako. Huy! Mathematics.
Baby, don't worry, you are my only. You won't be lonely, even if the sky is falling down. You'll be.
Ano ang pangalan ng puno na national tree ng Pilipinas? Starts with letter N. Rain. Niyog. Hindi. Matigas to. Matigas. Niyog. Di siya namumunga. Niyog na baog.
Ate, pabili nga ang ilaw.
Nang ilaw?
Ate, yung malinaw. Yung sobrang liwanag, yung makikita niyo yung halaga ko.
Bakit ba may lungkot sa iyong mga mata?
Bes, hindi na siya nagpaparamdam. Pag hindi nagpaparamdam, ay hindi ka na kailangan. May iba na yon. Wag ka na umasang babalik pa siya.
Babe,
Yeah.
I love you.
I don't understand it. You're changing, I can't stand it. Gusto ko lang naman ang lambing mo. Di na ako galit, halika na dito.
What you got, mom, to me, yeah.
Can you be my remedy? Baby, just send me your location. Let's focus on communicating. Cause I just need the time and place to come through. So baby, just send me.
Oh well. Karma's a bitch.
I'm sorry, let me do it again.
Ano ang ating pambansang hayop?
Ma'am, kuto!
De, may W sa huli.
Ah, kuto!
De, may sungay.
Diyos ko po, demonyong kuto!
I was ready to blow me down. You can't make up your mind. Please don't waste my time. I will try to rewind. I wish I.
Show my rice, show my rice. Ako ay nagugutom, gusto ko show my rice. Show my kinakain ko, pag nagutom ako, gusto ko na show my sausaw sa toyo.
I've been fucking hoes and popping pillies, man, I feel just like a rock star.
Oh my God!
I only call you when it's hot, but people thought that I'd be proud. Said I only love it when you touch me, not feel me when I'm fucked up. You got me here watching minutes pass by, wondering when to expect you. There you go, is this a dream?
Anyong sa'yo?
Sorry, hindi ako Koreana.
Alam ko.
Eh, bakit taga-anyong yaseyo ka?
Kasi, anyong sa'yo na ang lahat. Minamahal.
You don't talk very much. I like you. You say you wanna get away. Looking at the truth, the money never lie. No, I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one early morning in the dawn. Know you wanna ride now. I'm the one, yeah. I'm the one, yeah. Hear you sick of all those other imitators.
Nobody gonna love me better. I must stick with you forever. Nobody gonna take me higher. I must stick with you. You know how.
Kung hindi mo din ako sasagutin, pwede bang sa'yo wag mo na akong papuntahin? Kung sistema natin ay ganun pa din, mas alam ko na kung anong dapat kong gawin.
Saan po yun yung market?
Magkaliwa kanan ka dyan. May makita ka dyan pulang mangga. 3 bunga yan.
Paano pag walang bunga?
Hindi, kailangan.
Agad akong tinatangay na pamatay mong ngiti. Kaya tinamaan na ganun kadali. Kaya isang tawag mo lang ay nandyan agad ako. Kapag kailangan mo ako, nandyan agad ako.
She my bubblegum shawty and she make it go pop. She throw it in the air and she make a thing drop. She go pop, 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 pop.
Bruh.
Yes, Mrs. Ko. Asawa naman kita. At nakalagay sa batas na sa'yo rin ang katawan.
Mas maganda yung sa fiancé ko.
Mrs. Ko, wala man akong abs. Ako pa rin ang pinakasalan mo.
Yeah, we're just young, dumb, and broke, but we still got love to give while we're young, dumb, and broke, young, dumb.
Bailame como si fuera la última vez y enséñame ese pasito que no sé. Un besito bien suavecito, bebé. Taki, 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 rumba.
I love you, boy. I love you too. It's you and I. Baby, it's me and you. And no matter what they say, I'ma love you every single day. Racing and ticking, hearts running. I think that Cupid's up to something. You ask me how I feel, I say nothing. But lately colors seem so bright, and the stars light up the night. My feet, they feel so light. I'm ignoring all the signs.